Chicken Creole is a classic New Orleans dish featuring tender pieces of chicken simmered in a rich tomato sauce with lots of seasoning. Start by cutting 6 boneless, skinless chicken thighs into 1-inch pieces, seasoned with 2 teaspoons of Creole seasoning. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat, add chicken and cook until browned, then remove and set aside. Add 1 diced medium onion, 1 diced green bell pepper, and 2 celery ribs diced and cook for 5 to 6 minutes. Add 3 minced garlic cloves and cook 1 minute, and then add 1 6-ounce can of tomato paste and stir it in. Add 1 can petite diced tomatoes, 1 cup chicken broth, 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce, 2 teaspoons hot sauce, a half teaspoon black pepper, a quarter teaspoon thyme, and 2 bay leaves. Simmer for 5 minutes, add chicken back, and simmer another 5 minutes. Serve this chicken Creole over white rice and garnish with sliced green onion and parsley. You can find the full recipe at spicysouthernkitchen.com.